just finished my test. I got a 90. I know I did make a to-do list.
Go and snatch that thing up till they be like, oh, damn, they gon' be like.
It is Thursday, March 26th, and it's 11:44 a.m. and welcome to my day in my life. I will see if I decide to fix my hair for this, because I normally don't do anything to my appearance unless I have to film or I'm doing TikToks or I need to post something for Instagram. I know I did make a to-do list just because there's a few things that I really wanted to do today. I'm gonna see what all I can accomplish for today. I'm not gonna stress myself too much about it, but as you guys saw in the clip, I did not go on my phone at all. Right now I'm actually trying to practice to stay off of my phone for about an hour or a few minutes before, a few minutes after I do wake up, just because I don't want to be programmed that way. Then I write in my LOA journal for everything that I'm grateful for and everything that I want to happen today. Then I thank God for waking me up this morning, because that in itself is a blessing. And let the dogs go outside for a bit so they can use the bathroom, play around, do whatever. Made my breakfast, gave them food, and now I'm going to eat. So that's everything that I've done so far for the morning. I actually need to take my vitamins. So we're back in my room and I'm done eating. So yeah, okay, first things first is I'm actually gonna go do my schoolwork and then I'm gonna edit for a bit. All right, let's go. Alright, so I just finished my test. I got a 90. I still feel like it could have been better, but whatever. My overall grade is a 90. So now that I'm done with this, I'm gonna start editing. Do y'all see how slow it's moving? everybody, so I'm back. Is my new Instagram picture. I literally just posted, so if you haven't followed me on Instagram already, what are you doing? Like, almost done. I'm just adding in the names of the songs. I also had dinner, which is pretty early because it's only after 4, but once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go hop in the shower, change my clothes, fix my hair, try to do a TikTok before the sun goes down. I'm also going to have to wash one of the mats because I think one of the dogs peed on it, which is just great. And then I have to bathe the dogs tonight, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm meditate tonight as well. So I will check back in with you guys once I look presentable and this whole thing is finished with. So see you guys in a bit. All right, everybody, so this is the best that I can do to get cute, which I just brushed my eyebrows, put on some lip balm, did my edges a little bit, and then just sprayed my hair with water. Still have on the same outfit because I'm not going anywhere, but I will shower tonight. I don't know, there's not much that I need to do, but I need to go check to see if my video had finally been uploaded, and then I'm going to bathe the dogs. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna leave my phone in here just because I don't want to get distracted and I need to finish up whatever I'm doing. We have on our yard pants, and they're yard pants because, ooh, this is ghetto, but the hole in my pants that's been here for the longest time. All right, so grab my phone. Now I'm gonna go into my brother's bathroom because that's where I'm going to bathe the dogs. I need to get their towels. But I'm gonna probably listen to some music while I bathe them, so you know, cute little montage. I'm gonna give Bella to Amber so she can dry her off so I can bathe Shadow. I'm trying to lure him in here. I think I'm just gonna have to pick him up. Alright, everybody, so I just made my tea. It's right over there. So I'm actually getting ready to probably script in my LOA journal, and then I'm going to meditate because I haven't done that in a while, and that's something that I can actually do anytime. So everything that I typically do when I meditate is to put my phone on silent. I typically like to listen to affirmations sometimes too while I meditate. And now I have my LOA journal, and I'm just going to script a little bit here and there. Meditation is now done. Also writing in my LOA journal and a little bit of visualization. So if you guys saw me smiling while I visualized, the reason is because while you visualize, you have to have the feeling that you already have it so that it comes into this 3D realm, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's a lot to get into with the law of attraction and everything like that, but yeah, for now, like I said, I'm about to wind down, so I'm gonna make my bed all cozy and stuff. I'm gonna cut my TV on so I could go ahead and watch a movie or something. So that is basically it for my day in my life. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Follow my Instagram _itsangelsarah. Also follow my TikTok at the8girls. So my appearance was not the best, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do this one pretty aesthetically pleasing for y'all because you guys really do enjoy that. And yeah, let's continue to grow. Don't forget to share this video with anybody that you think would enjoy my stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.